Perfect, 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 perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect.
Oh hey, the time has arrived for me to take these braids down. My hair looks nice and slicked, no flyaways. I am too excited. I'm actually going to use the same hair oil that I used when I was creating my hairstyle, and I will only use a little bit to take down my braids because I do not want to create any frizz whatsoever. I am too hyped. So I have the feeling that I will not have as much volume as I would like to have, but it's either definition or volume. I'm actually going to just go for definition. I am so happy with my results. My braids are fresh, no flyaways. My braid out. Wow. Okay, the product combo that I used today blew me out of the water. Not only is my hair super duper moisturized, but my braid out is super defined. My braids are nice and laid. This is a fresh hairstyle. What? And my hair is protected. Now I can do different things, or you can do different things, such as make this into a nice bun, right? You can make this into a bun. Let me stop touching it. Let me not. Or you can rock this style out for a little bit and then just keep rebraiding those sections at nighttime. It all depends on what you want to do. You can add cuffs, you can add so many different accessories to it to just make it fit you and your style. I'm in awe. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me if you're feeling this look. Tell me something that you would do different if you do anything different at all. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so that you stay notified every time I upload a new video. Because even if you subscribe, if you don't hit the bell, you will not get notified when I upload a new video. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I will catch you next time.